my friend here, Paul. Told you guys, didn't know what's going on.
She'll be so pissed.
Whoa.
Come on, Lena. Oh, shit. Oh, I just keep my sister and the dog over here so they don't get trashed. Really? It gets heavier than this?
Next section's way gnarly.
Lena. Sick. Lena, stay. Yes, river. Nina, come. Come here. Come on, over here. Yeah! Woo! Super sick. Yeah. That was sick. Stay.
Now hard driving.
Nina, come here.
There you go. I'm bringing it up by the street on that.
Come here, Lena. Come.
Let's hit it. You got it. There you go. Keep coming. Yeah, keep coming. It's good.
Nice.
Then they have to turn around and come back down. There's no exit.
Oh, no
Back,
way.
They come back down this shit.
Oh, you gotta be kidding, Rob. I can't believe he's calling on that ledge, Rob. That's sick.
Dude, that is sick.
That's totally ill. Jeep, too. Not gonna fool you, Rob.
This thing is one of the best ones.
I got a CJ7 too. It's almost done. Rebuilt the engine. No, just almost done.
Same way you got it.
Yep. Nice.
Gnarly part coming up.
Tell me what's up.
So the rough shit begins.
It's about to get jiggy with it right here.
Show you guys how it's done.
hold on.
Remember this Easter? Nice. Good job.
That's right. A minute with the dog. Jackson! That was gnarly. That was so bitchin'. Are you kidding me? Ooh, high center on the differential. Okay, yeah. Oh! Lena! Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Oh, stop. Stop. All right.
That was sick. I'm liking that line. I rolled there on Easter.
Oh, he walks it. Got some hopping to do here.